Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About x, that is about the square root of x squared. So we can put this one, go inside the square root, and you got about the square root of x squared plus 1 over x squared. X squared divided by x squared, number 1 divided by x squared, you got about 1 plus 1 over x squared. We know that when x approaches to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. So we have number 0 in here. And you got number 1. And this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2. We can do about factorization in here. Because x multiplied by 3 minus 2 over x, you got this one. So if I put x go outside, you got about x to the power of 3 over 2. Now, I will compare. This one is about x power number 1. This one is about 3 over 2. So we need to divide by x to the power of 3 over 2 on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about number 1. This one s to the power of s to the power of number 1 divided by s to the power of 3 over 2. You will have about 2 over s to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1. The next one, that is about number 3 over s to the power of 3 over 2. So this one you got about 1 over 2. When s approaches to number 0, when s approaches to positive infinity, this one you go to positive infinity. Number 2 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. Similar for this one. And this one. So we have 0 in here, 0 in here, and 0 in here. We calculate about this one and you got about 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.